Hey there, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and welcome back to another video, guys. It's been a while since I've actually done one of these videos. A little bit things have been changing on my Facebook as well, because I'm actually in the process of doing a boot camp with my fellow business partners as well, in order for us to get the foundations right when you're doing your marketing, how to just connect with people and be yourself rather than always pitching. The thing that destroys the community and the marketplace at the moment is that a lot of internet marketers are just talking about, and they become a billboard for their business on their Facebook. And this is why I put this recent status on my Facebook, very specifically say, don't fake it till you make it, because a lot of people will just fake it in saying, oh, you can do this, because that's the potential, but they don't really talk about what they are doing. So be yourself, share your journey, and be a part of the 5% who stick with it and succeed. I don't know if you guys know this, but 95% of all people who look, also there's 200 people who look on a day-to-day basis for how to make money online, and only literally 5% of that actually stick with it, and eventually in the next year, 2 years, whatever it is, they succeed. So are you going to be a part of that 5%, or are you going to be a part of the 95% who just go away? If you're one of the 95%ers, then there's no reason to watch this video further, because what I'm going to share with you in this video today is tips on how you can actually connect videos to your online sales pro, and your online sales pro helps you present your offer, your business to thousands of people, because at the end of the day, we still have 24 hours. You, I, everyone else has 24 hours within the day, and we still need to grow our business and scale it in some way or the other. So if you can manage to present the same thing multiple times to multiple people, then it's a benefit for you. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you two things. Basically, for this tutorial or for this video, you need either a Vimeo account, okay, or a YouTube account. In today's example, we're going to look at YouTube specifically and Online Sales Pro. What is Online Sales Pro? We'll get into that as well. If you want, check my channel out if you need to know more details on Online Sales Pro. And if you do like the content that you receive right now on this channel, guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification as well, so that you get notified for future videos that I am putting out. You will see a lot of content over the next few videos, because I am trying to ramp things up once again. I had a little backlog, let's say, in my video schedule for this week. So I'm just catching up on certain things, so there'll be quite a few videos that are coming out. I would suggest for you to subscribe in order for you to get more action. So Online Sales Pro is a method, or rather a software, which I can use to generate leads online, firstly, to collect leads online, okay, rather, so that I can have a client list and I can speak to people. Okay, when you go on TV, when you go on a video, you are speaking to people. You're speaking to thousands of people sometimes over the television, or maybe in the next few hours if the program is repeated and stuff like that. Actors do the same, right? Online Sales Pro allows you to speak to many people regarding a certain topic. Okay, it's not a video platform. No, that's not what it is. It helps you generate leads and sales. If you don't talk to people, then how are you going to generate any leads? And if you don't speak to those leads, how are you going to generate any sales? So this helps you present the same thing again and again and again, because honestly, having a marketing system, which is what Online Sales Pro is, it allows you to be an online sales professional, okay, is one of the key elements and tools that you need. Whether it's Online Sales Pro or something else, depends on you. I love Online Sales Pro. I am a big fan of Online Sales Pro. Been using them for the last 2 years now and enjoying my journey with them as well. Okay, I'm going to show you just give you a brief idea. They have the leads that you can see here, that are hits and leads that you get on a day-to-day basis. You can track. You will find leads as well here. You can edit pages here. You have resources in terms of marketing. You have third-party funnels, community funnels, which I'll just show you briefly what it is. But you can see the amount of, like, if you're into personal training and you have an offline business, you can use this for your offline business. Okay, If you're into investments, you can use it for investments. If you're into fitness, you can use it for fitness. Whatever it may be, you will find that there are opportunities for you to build on a day-to-day basis with these pages right here. Okay. Yeah, that would be one of the major things that I wanted to say. But in today's video, specifically, as you see in the title, we're going to connect a video to a page. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go to page templates. So once you get Online Sales Pro, if you do want to know more about Online Sales Pro, there will be a link in the description, and the link will basically, okay, I'm going to tell you right now, the link will take you to this page right here. The moment it takes you to this page, okay, you will see how you can make more leads, more sales, and more profits. Okay, once you click on the link, if you would like to see the demo of the app itself and Online Sales Pro, you can click here. And in 90 seconds, we will show you how to use Online Sales Pro, okay? And how you can earn from it as well, okay? And if you click I want Online Sales Pro, it'll take you directly to the platform. It's around $37 US, guys, for the tool itself. As you can see, there's an app. It tells you everything that you need to know, shows you how to use it, how to generate leads, how to keep in touch. You'll find it on Google Apps. So if you want to go and just check it out before you even get it, you can definitely go and check. You will find the app on the App Store, but you won't be able to log in or anything because you need to have it paid for. It's a paid application. So, okay. Then you have testimonials, and you can go and frequently asked questions. It's quite a good in-depth analysis of what Online Sales Pro is. So that will be in the description below. Now, let's just go and create a page for you. So you need to go to edit once you get it. Okay, that rhymed. Then you go to either quick templates to create a quick email template. Okay, but we want to create a sales page. Now, what is a sales page? A sales page is a page immediately after a landing page. So now I'll give you an example, guys. If I go to my website, TipsWithDav.com, this right here is a landing page. Okay, this tells people what they're going to get once they get inside with me. Now, I'm in the process of revamping my my sales funnel, so there's going to be a lot of changes to this, but as of now, it is right now like this. Okay, so I can collect an email address, etc., and they go forward. Once they go forward, they go to a page which is called basically a sales page. Now, this sales page can be a video sales page. It can be, usually it is a video sales page. I like to use this one. Okay, so let's quickly just use this one for the example. I have my YouTube open, and let's say that I want to send somebody. Now, you can use this on for selling. You can use this for just talking to people. I use this page a lot of the times to send emails out to my clients, and I want to tell them something. I want to give them a tip. I want to give them some advice. I want to share this video with them. I would share it within a template like this. And if they then want to get the tool, they can just click on the button below, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so we are going to connect the video from YouTube to Online Sales Pro. Okay, so for all you Online Sales Pro users, you can obviously edit the headline, the sub headline, and this is where the video comes in. So let's choose a video from all of my videos on YouTube. Okay, to say I want to talk to them about how to advertise, or three tips on how to advertise on Futureadpro. Okay, this is something that is a website that I use to test my advertising out, to run ads, etc. So this is the video that I want to share with them. I already have it. So what is the video title? Is how to use 3 tips to advertise anywhere. I'm just going to copy that because I want it to be congruent. Okay, and I put it there. You are going to love it. Okay, that makes more specific. Okay, and then I can click get instant access. Now, there are 2 things that I need to do right here. The first thing that I need to do is put the video. So all I need to go to is go to YouTube. Okay, go to YouTube, click on share right here, and I get this link here. There's no embedded copy. Some complicated softwares will tell you that you have to need the embedded code and stuff like that. This, you just need the share link like you would share on any channel. Okay, on Facebook, Twitter, whatever it is. You just need the share link. You go here and you click that there, get instant access, and I want them to go to OSP, or I want them to go to wherever it is. Okay, so it would be Futureadpro would be more where I want to send them, right? So I can either get the link to Futureadpro and send them there, or this is what I can do. There we go. So I will put it to here, and I can then just name my page. So video page just now. Okay, just to give you guys an idea, video page YouTube is what I named it. Okay, and then you have a color scheme. So now you can upload a picture if you would like. So just don't know, maybe I would quickly just look at uploading, I don't know, this picture, just to give you guys an understanding. Okay, so I've uploaded a picture. Now in that picture you can see that there's a little bit blue and green, so let's put blue by it, also because of Futureadpro. The color scheme is a bluish greenish color scheme, so I just want to make sure that everything's okay there, and all I have to do now is click on save and preview, and you'll see it takes me to the website. I'm in the background there. Yeah, I'm in the background there, and you can see this is the video that we're talking about, which I was showing them. Okay, so this is a good thing that they see the video. How to use 3 tips anywhere. You're going to love these tips. They get the tips, and if they click here, they go to Futurenet on my website directly. So that is what I want them to do. But how do you apply? So let's go back. How do you apply the video? As I said, very simply, go to the section right here on YouTube, click on share, copy this out, okay, and then go to this channel, go to Online Sales Pro, go to your page, your editing page, and add it right here. Simple. Sorry, this is the wrong link. Simple, easy, nothing complicated, but you'll see that it has to be in this format right here. If it's in any other format, guys, it's not going to work. You need it to be in this format for it to work. Okay, and then you just click on save, and that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the content of this video. As I said, this is simply a tutorial on how to use Online Sales Pro to add videos to your page. Okay, the more videos you add, and if you go back, I want to show you very specifically, you can have, this is just one video on a page, this is 2 videos on a page, this is 3 videos on a page. So you can have multiple videos on each page. That will take you to a next step. I have, for example, using these video series, I have created a training module itself just with this. Okay, so it is possible. It is possible if you would want it to, but you need to look at this very specifically. Okay, that's about it from my side. I hope you guys understand why I'm using Online Sales Pro. If you want to know more and get to see the demo, there's going to be a link in the description. Just click on that and you will be taken to this page where you can go and check out more on how to use Online Sales Pro, what it is for you. I love this tool. I've been using it for the past 2 years to generate leads and sales online, and it has been phenomenal. So thank you so much for watching, and if you did enjoy it, hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'm going to see you on the next video, guys. Have a nice day.